Here's the progress. My mom and dad were able to pour the concrete pad for me while I was working, and you can see my dad built a base for this. He did sink some straps in the concrete to hold the base over the pipe, and this base is what the pump will actually set on. Real quick, there's a short list of tools that are necessary. Definitely need some pipe wrenches for tightening your couplings and your nipples. The couplings will go on the end of your pipe, and very important, the most important thing you're going to need is 2 of these safety clamps that are going to hold the pipe up by the coupling so it doesn't fall down into your well while you're putting the next pipe on or assembling your rod. You will also need vice grips to hold your rod up out of the pipe so that you can thread your nut onto it. Box wrenches to thread your nut. Of course, other wrenches to assemble the pump itself. You're going to need some joint compound, and channel locks, screwdrivers, and other things will come in handy also. Give me that safety. Alright, ready? Yeah. Get a couple hands on here. Let it down easy. Okay. You're sure there's water down in there, right? There's water 27 feet down. Camo. Alright, don't take it too long with this. Okay, you can see that the pump base is lag bolted down into this box, and we have a couple bolts here so we can loosen them and actually adjust the height of this pump up and down. We could also spin it in any direction we want. And of course, this pulls that rod up and down, which operates the suction washer down inside the pump all the way down the bottom. Of course, it's a one-way valve, so you suck water up and it doesn't allow water to go back down. Now, some pumps will only go down 25 foot of depth. This is down 60 or so feet, and we have no problem bringing water up. Okay, job done. Just have to secure this box down to the pad, but I do have water. And you can see this is a threaded valve here for hooking a garden hose to. I could take this right off, just like so.